an exchange that some ketoers do on YouTube, some fellow keto YouTubers, and I got to join them this time. So this is a Christmas themed keto exchange. They do this like every few months or so, and you just send a package to someone and you get a package from someone full of keto goodies. So I just got mine in the mail. Yay! I got mine in the mail today, and it is from Ketolicious Life, and she lives in California. It says Millville, California. So thank you, I'm so excited. Let's open it and see what I got. Oh, monk fruit sweetener. Love monk fruit. Thank you. This stuff is awesome, and it's perfect this time of year for all the baking, keto baking. I'm definitely going to be doing some keto baking this week. Let's see. Oh, there's my note. Should have probably opened that first. Let's see. To Erica, time to shrink. That's me. It's been really awesome watching your journey. Your surgery seemed to go really well, and I'm happy that you're healing well. Now the next phase of your journey begins. I sent you some of my favorite things I use in my keto journey. I have found that monk fruit sweetener is really good, and I especially love the golden. It smells just like brown sugar. I know you love snowmen, so I was so excited to find you this gift. Oh, thank you so much, Amy. So sweet. I can't wait to open the rest of this. Oh my gosh. I love this so much. Thank you. I do. I love snowmen so much. They are my favorite thing. Got my snowmen on my shirt today even. Okay. Oh, more. This is the monk fruit, but classic. So I have the classic and the brown sugar one now. Yay. I cannot wait to get to use those. Oh, Lily's baking chocolate. I love Lily's so much. You're setting me up for baking this week, girl. Also, I love how you wrapped everything like a Christmas gift. I wish I had done that in mine. I didn't even think about doing that. Love it. Oh, some Lily's chocolate candy. Yum. Love Lily's. Let's see. Oh, this is really pretty. It's a notepad. It's got this really pretty blue pattern. And Stress SOS marshmallow and ashwagandha herbal tea. I love tea also, and I've really, since I had my vertical sleeve gastrectomy surgery, I have really been enjoying hot things, hot tea, like warm teas. So I'm super excited about this. Thank you so much. Look forward to trying it. So thank you for all of this stuff. Let's see if I can hold some of it up for a thumbnail picture. Thank you. Thank you so much. If you are new to my channel and came via Ketolicious Life or one of the other ladies that is doing this keto exchange, I'm so glad to have you. If you are one of my followers, down below I'll put a link to everybody that is doing this, so go check them out. There's a lot of good keto YouTubers to follow and see what they got in their special keto box. Bye y'all. Merry Christmas.